powered by Goka in relation with the Festival of Nongyen and World Tourism Day. We have with us the wonderful hybrid theory and the linking part tribute. You guys were wonderful. You did like I enjoyed so much. Thank you so much for being here in Nepal.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for having us.
First of all, before we begin, I would just like to ask very few questions. I know you guys are tired. First of all, can you please mention us your name, just your name?
Miguel.
I'm Ivo.
Pedro.
Diogo.
I'm Nunu.
Danny.
Very nice to meet you all. I'm very much privileged to have you all and meet you all in this occasion. Now, I would like to ask, the first thing is that, whose idea was the hybrid theory, the linking part tribute? Whose idea? Okay, his.
It's his idea.
What's his idea? What's his idea?
Okay. It was all of us' idea.
It was Miguel's idea. So, how did it happen? How it began?
You want to explain this part?
Well, we started, first of all, we started as an original band. Me, Miguel, Diogo, and two guys that are not with us anymore. And then they invited me to do a casting to join the band, and I choose 3 songs. I choose "Numb" by Linkin Park, "Chasing Cars" by Snow Patrol, and what the other, Imagine Dragons. And it doesn't matter. And then we recorded all the 3 songs, and Miguel just sent me a message saying, "You see, can you listen how this sounds?" And I said, it sounds like in Linkin Park. And then he said, "We should do a tribute band. What do you say?" No, it can't happen. That Linkin Park was still playing, and it didn't make any sense to do a tribute band on that time. But a few years later, after we decided to break up, Miguel push us again and say we should do the Linkin Park tribute after Chester passed away. We did that just to get some money to record our things, to buy things for our band.
It was meant for the originals band and not to be tribute. It was meant to be one show and not more than that.
You know, you guys are not less than the Linkin Park, and we love Linkin Park so much, and we love you guys the same right now. You guys are letting the legends live till now. That's what I want to say. Now, how do you like Imphal, and how was the crowd? How was the performance tonight?
So for us, it was a very special moment. Obviously, it's the first time here, first time in India, first time in Imphal. Okay, I said this before, and the thing that I think we will all take with us, is how nice everyone was to us here. Okay, the way you guys received us, the way you guys made us feel at home. So that was amazing, and obviously you guys being here, everyone noticed we had a few minor glitches, we had a few fights we had during the gig, but that only made us work harder for you guys, make everything work, because we wanted so much to give back, because you guys made us feel like home, and it was so important to do a good show, to make everybody happy, to make you guys feel the way you made us feel. Okay, so that was the biggest thing for us, and we can only say thank you.
I'd like to just ask only one serious question from this side now. Like, does any of these performances or any of this tribute or any charity goes to the Linkin Park or the Chester? Is this related to their band or any of their families?
To the depression, at the moment we're not. But 2 years ago we helped the koalas in Australia when we had the fire bushes, and every shirt we sold, we helped the koalas. At the moment, it's the only donation we did, yes.
Nice, that's very nice.
Then there was COVID, and then the band stopped, so there was no possibility of doing that. But we will do that again. We already talked about it. We will do it again now on our next tour in Lithuania, Hungary, Poland, Latvia, and Estonia. we will do the same, that we donate some money goes into charity, and we will do it again when we go back to New Zealand and Australia this year as well.
Happy Tourist Day. Come to Imphal.
Come to Imphal, enjoy the view. Yeah, and I hope you guys love Imphal because we have a lot of. You guys are staying for a day or just.
We don't have so much time because we need to fly back home and then come back.
You have more tours ahead.
Yeah, because now before coming here we were in the UK, so we didn't actually go home. We flew from the UK here, so now we are leaving tomorrow, unfortunately, because we have to go home and we all have our families as well. We have to go home and get ready for the next tour, but next time we're gonna come back, I think in December? November. The Australian tour, we are coming back to India, and then hopefully we can stay a little bit longer.
Happy to